I like noise. Do you? Your body might not like noise. You can have things going on in here, and you can have things going on in your body. They can be separate because through the process of schooling and employment, we've often been taught how to disconnect the two of them. Disconnect your heart, disconnect your well-being, and disconnect your feelings from your head, so that we spend all day long sitting in our head and thinking and using it and being a machine and a tool for your employer or for your school